Alright, welcome to a Forex video. So this video, I'll be talking about the Euro Chief pair. So you guys should know that Euro Chief is a risk sentiment currency. So it has been in a severe decline since let's see, April. Actually, in fact, it has been severe decline since last year, and it was kind of stationary for a while, where it went sideways. But since April, it just went spiraling down. I think it probably has to do with the coronavirus. Because again, it's a risk averse currency, a risk sentiment currency. So the global uh, fear and uncertainty will cause it to decline a lot. So in fact, its weekly RSI, if you go and check, has hit about 27, which is extremely low for currency to have. And as you can see, the last time it hit about 27 is in 2015, and it has never hit since way back. So it has been in a huge decline, and recently it has bounced back by a lot. Alright, so I tend to favor currency. I tend to go for a reversal trade. I don't like to um, go for trades that follow the trend. I like to go for a reversal trade. That being said, obviously you can't like pick the bottom, right? It's very risky for you to buy a currency just based on the RSI by itself. So I noticed that there's been a huge bounce back here, and with a lot of momentum, several candles, uh, green candles in a row. So recently it has hit this point over here, and this point correspond to this trend line over here. Sorry about that, my mouse is a bit glitchy, but yeah, correct. If you draw this trend line over here, connect the trend line, you can see that they they form a trend line like this, and price bounce back exactly at this point. So I sold I would bought at somewhere around here, because where I get the first bounce on that day. I didn't buy it exactly at the bottom because I need to wait for impulsive wave, right? And this candle was sort of the impulsive wave for me, and I bought at the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is here, and I sold the pair at around here, at this resistance level, this blue line over here, because there was a lot of resistance here, and I was waiting for a bounce back because the momentum here is actually strong, but I can't go on forever, right? So yeah, I sold around here at this level, and I waited for an opportunity to get long again, because I expected that the pair will probably I'm still not sure yet, but I expected the pair will probably get another bounce, another wave up, because how impulsive this wave is. But again, these few candles, red candles, are also quite impulsive, because yeah, as you can see. So I'm not exactly sure how this pair will go, but I entered this pair again at this level over here, around this level, because this level is actually the 0.68 Fibonacci retracement, and also it corresponds to the 50 EMA. As you can see, this blue line is the 200 and the green is the 50, and both of them have a very good, they coincide, right? So it's a very good spot where I can enter. Also, there's right now the pair is sort of in a channel. Okay, let's try to zoom out a bit. So as you can see, just connected the lowest point together, and if you connect, you can see that this line, this channel hit several points pretty decently, as you can see, and yeah, it hit even this point as well. So it means that it has some impact on the price. And yeah, so I just connected the lower half of this channel with the bottom, and I get something like this. So it does pass through a few points, okay, like here and here. So I'm not sure whether it is a channel, but if it is a channel, then well, it also coincides with this level here, which is why I entered at this point, and I got a strong bounce on the first day. But I'm not sure whether this will continue. So this is a long trade that long trade recommendation by me, because I expect that if this price were to bounce, it will bounce quite high, maybe somewhere to this level. Okay, maybe to the 31 of the 50 Fibonacci retracement of this level over here, of this huge wave. And yeah, so put your stop loss below this trend line. So, or maybe even here, if your trade is small. But for me, I put my stop loss below this trend line, so that if the price breaks this trend line, this channel over here, then I'm out of this trade, because it might go further down. But if you take a weekly, just take a monthly, ignore the, okay, never mind, just take a weekly. Monthly is a bit messy. I'm trying to zoom out here. My mouse is very glitchy. Right, you can see that it has never been this low. A few times it's been this low, was since like way long ago. And yeah, so there's really no resistance or like support below this point over here. So if this pair goes below the new low that it created, then it's potentially like going to go all the way down here, because there's no immediate support. So it's a bit risky, this pair. But I expect a bounce. Again, from my analysis, the wave upwards is kind of impulsive, and it looks like a recovery, a retracement for this huge impulsive wave. So that's just my opinion, and hopefully you guys like this idea and agree with me as well. Yep. So this is just a trade recommendation, not a um not like professional. I'm really just a beginner. So just take this advice, take this idea if you can. And if not, then future videos, more videos coming up for Forex trades. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.